Hey, good morning here at the Expert Power Wash shop. You guys have asked and we have listened. What are the exact weights of our skids? So this is the 6.5 foot. This is going to be a dry weight, has just a little bit of water in it from testing. So we got these race car scales. We're able to put them on each corner of the skid. And we'll go on over here. This is wireless. And I can give you the exact weights per area of the skid. So this one with a little bit of water in it is coming out at 1073. Anybody going forward that wants weights for skids that we sell, we will have those weights available for you.